Aku sayang, cuma aku sayang, papi sayang, aku sayang. Okay, that's enough. Can you stop playing with the dogs?
Okay.
No. Yeah. I'm not giving it away. I'm not giving it away. My food. This is embarrassing. I'm just gonna walk away. So, I'm not getting away. Ma'am, you have to give away the dog. It's not your dog. We have to put it at the adoption center. It's a random dog you found on the streets and brought into the post office. I don't think that's your dog. So get out! No! We have to get rid of the dog! Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, people. No! Listen, sorry to tell you, but I'm gonna get the dog in the adoption center. Give me visit. I'm sure. Oh, okay. I'm giving you a 0-0 rating on Yelp. I did it. Okay, those people were weird. I'm just gonna go. Hello. I would like to put this dog up for adoption. Is there any reason why? Just asking. These two kids won't stop following me, and also they found this random dog and brought it in my post office, and then made a TikTok video with it, and yeah, I'm here to return it. They're bawling their eyes out. Okay. I'm just gonna go check for available rooms, okay? Okay. What? Oh, right here. Perfect. Okay, if you just hand over the dog, please, and we'll put him in his new room. I'll show you. Let me go check what color it is. Blue. Okay, so here, hold on. One second. Here is the blue key, and return it when you are done. Oh, and also, may you sign this paperwork. It's very important. Go put the dog up, and we will handle it. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm surprised that worked. I'm very bad with keys. There you go. There you go. Okay, here is the key. Thank you very much. Here's the paperwork. Here's the pen. Go ahead and just write that, and you're gonna be on your way. Okay. Okay, there. Here's the paperwork back. Here's the pen. Thanks, I guess. I hope you have a great day. Prepare for the girls. Okay. I'm sure they won't bother me. Let us see the dog. Oh my god, that scared me. Yeah. Okay. Are you looking forward to adopting? No, just let me see him. Let me see him. Okay, calm down. Go, please. Just don't hurt me. Let me see the dog. Where is it? Where is it? This one. No, this one. No. This one. This one. Is this one? No. Oh, no, this one. No. There's no pinky. What about the blue one? Put these back. No time. I need to go get my phone. Move, fat lady. Okay, I got my phone. Let's make a TikTok. Yes. Mom, leave me alone. I wanna be famous. I wanna be famous. My therapist said I got ADHD. I don't even know what that means. Post it. Okay, Betty, your turn. Me on the phone. Now we have to go. What just happened? Oh, those are just some two crazy girls that barged into me. They were very scary. I have no idea what just happened.